Williams, and this is Williams Loves to Learn. And Zita too.
Williams, you guys have been very mean to me today, talking about I'm a very bad mother and all of that.
No, you're not.
Okay, but you guys have been saying I do bad things. So Zita, I want you to tell me, what bad things do I do? List them. You said I do a lot of bad things. Tell me.
A list of this?
Yes.
A list of it is that you pinch, twist, pinch mouth.
Pinch mouth, okay.
And also smack, plug. And also don't rush dance.
So I make you do dance, okay.
And also homework.
I make you do your homework.
About that.
Okay.
And also eat stuff that we don't like beans.
Okay.
And also not let us play for long. And also make us go to bed early. 10.
Okay. So those are the 10 things that I do wrong.
Yeah, 10.
Right.
And you only got 9 things that you do good.
Okay, before we get to that, thank you for telling me the things I do wrong. Williams, your turn. What do I do wrong?
You do nothing wrong.
I thought you said I make you do too much homework.
You make me do too much homework. Only one thing that you did wrong.
Just that.
Oh, come on. You forgot the don't rush dance and you forgot the ginger shot. Oh, like 11. Ginger shot, ginger shot, ginger shot. 11, 11, 11, 11.
Because I make you drink ginger shots.
Yeah.
Okay.
11.
All right. So let's move on to Daddy. What is Daddy doing wrong, Zita?
Well, Daddy's not doing nothing. 0.
0 things wrong?
Yeah.
So Daddy's perfect.
Daddy's perfect.
Okay. Williams, is Daddy doing anything wrong?
Yeah, he has hard hands. Oh, come on.
He what?
He has hard hands.
He has hard hands?
That's the only thing he does wrong. So, who's better? Who votes Daddy is good? I vote. Who votes Mommy is good? I vote. So 2 votes for Daddy, 1 vote for Mommy. So.
Okay, now let's go into what we do right. What is it? Do I do anything good, Zita?
So we just got 9 things good.
Tell me those 9 things.
The 9 things is cooking.
I cook.
Cooking.
Why cooking 3 times?
Because dinner, lunch, breakfast.
Okay.
And also there's something that I didn't do. I didn't say in the bad chord.
Okay. What's that?
There's 12 things. Don't let us watch iPads that long.
I don't let you watch iPad for long. And that's a bad thing. Okay.
Yes. And what was I?
So we were listing the good things that I do. You said cooking, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What else?
Cooking, lunch, cooking, and also play with me. And also, you brush my teeth for my brother.
Okay.
His teeth for my brother. You also get my towel. You also help me with homework. Spelling test. You help me with spelling tests, and also you help me with math. That's it. 9.
So those are 9 things that I do good. Williams, do I do anything good?
Yeah.
What do
hug me.
What do I help you with?
You hug me.
Oh, I hug you?
Oh, hug me. That's 10.
Okay. Anything else, Williams? Wellz, anything else? Should we put that thing down so you can focus on me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it down. Just give me 3 minutes. Put it down and talk to me. Okay, no. Don't hold anything. Just put it down.
I'm gonna have this conversation. We start fighting. I don't want to tell you how I feel about you. I don't want to tell you how I feel about you.
Why?
Because it'll make you embarrassing.
What?
It'll make it embarrassing.
It'll be embarrassing?
Yes.
But you already told me how you feel.
I feel, it won't feel good if I say that.
But you already did. Is there something else you want to say?
I do not want to tell you that.
You don't want to tell me that what? Because you think I'll be mad?
I think you will feel bad.
You think I'll feel bad? I really, really want to know how you feel.
No, you do not.
I do.
No.
I will be grateful to know. I promise, I'll be grateful.
No.
Well, if I don't know, then how do I be better?
How you like this? Because it's something bad about you.
Tell me.
I do not want to tell you.
I promise I won't be mad.
No.
If you tell me, I'll put chocolate chips in your oatmeal.
Are you sure?
Yes, I promise. Williams, I'm trying to listen to Zita, so put that thing down. Crisscross applesauce.
You don't want me to go play.
Quiet hands.
Competition doesn't know where to go play. We're
Quiet.
talking too much.
Quiet hands.
Mommy.
Give me 3 minutes. If you keep talking, I'm going to make it 10 minutes.
I do not act like what you're acting right now.
Just tell me. If you don't tell me, no chocolate chips in your oatmeal.
I said I do not like how you're acting.
Is that what you want to tell me?
Yes.
You don't like how I'm acting?
Yeah.
How am I acting? Because I'm asking questions? Oh, what's wrong? Because I'm asking what I'm doing wrong? Is that what you're saying? Because I want to know. I want to do better. If you're doing wrong, don't you want to know? You don't want to know? Well, I do. Because I want to do better. Well, Williams was telling me what things he thinks I do good. Williams, what do I do good?
You hug me.
Aside from hugging you, what else?
You love me?
I love you. I do. What else?
You let me be behind her? Sometimes, Mommy.
Sometimes what?
Sometimes I be behind her.
Behind?
Sometimes I don't.
Behind Zita?
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Okay. I thought you didn't like being behind her. I make you be behind her because you're older, right?
Wait, I'm not older.
You're not younger. Okay, so, well, what good things does Daddy do? Who wants to go first?
Me!
Tell me, what good things does Daddy do?
Daddy has hard hands.
That's in the bad things corner. We're talking about good things now. What good things does Daddy do?
Daddy hugs me.
Okay.
That's the only thing Daddy does.
Daddy hugs you. Okay, that's good. Mama, what good things does Daddy do? Huh? We're saying good things, so that shouldn't make you sad. This is the good things time.
But I think you feel bad.
Who will feel bad? Me? When you say good things about Daddy? Why would that make me feel bad?
Because there's more good things Daddy does than you.
Because there's more good things Daddy does? Tell me so I can learn what Daddy does and so I can do it.
You would never do that.
Why not? If you tell me what Daddy does that is good that I don't do, of course I'm going to do that.
Because you already do the stuff that Daddy already does.
Oh. So why would I feel bad if you say it then? If I already do it?
Actually, I think Daddy will feel bad.
Oh, you think Daddy will feel bad? But now we're talking about the good things. Daddy's not going to feel bad.
Good.
Huh?
He only does 2 things good.
What are the 2 things he does?
Wash dishes, cook breakfast. Actually, pay for the house.
Pay for the house. That's a really good thing. Mm-hmm.
Pay for the house.
Mm-hmm. Did you say wash dishes?
Yeah.
If you put that in Daddy's good corner, you should put it in my corner too, because I wash more dishes than Daddy.
Dishes.
What else?
Wash dishes.
Did you say makes breakfast?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I already said that's better than your good column.
Yeah, but I mean, when did Daddy make breakfast? But okay, I'll take it.
At breakfast. Remember when you were sick, Daddy made you breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Mommy,
All right, I'll take it.
Glue. And
you know where the glue is, right?
I need lots of glue.
He does what?
Make breakfast. Make breakfast.
Let's finish talking about this.
Breakfast. Because when you're gone, he makes breakfast.
When was I gone?
When were you gone?
Yeah, when was I
When
gone?
you were gone.
When?
When I was younger, remember? Go play. Okay, I'm out. Mommy, let me go play. Mommy, can I go play now? I'm doing this too much.
Anyway, let me ask you guys something. Last question. What good things do you guys want me to start doing? Tell me, what do you want me to start doing? Williams, what good thing do you want me to start doing?
Stop giving me a ginger shot.
Stop giving you ginger shots?
Stop making us do questions.
Well, okay, you said stop giving you ginger shots. I think that's important for your health because it makes you healthy. Stop making you practice dance. No, because I think it helps with your body coordination.
Don't rush dance.
Well, yeah, I like don't rush dance. But anything else, those 2 things, I'm not going to stop. But you know what I can do?
Mommy, let's do the other
After we learn don't rush, then you guys can pick what dance you want to learn.
Mommy, yeah, but something that you will not do.
How about that? Is that a good compromise? After don't rush, you guys get to pick the next dance, okay?
How about, wait, you said anything else you can do?
Yeah, what else can I do?
Buy silver and let us open it not on Christmas.
Buy what?
Buy silver and red
From Angry Birds?
And let us open it
Before Christmas.
before Christmas.
No, those are Christmas presents.
So you said you would do anything until the 2 things.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, bye. Go play.
We have to go play. We talk too much. No laughing.
Oh my goodness.
So videos, Zita. Okay, so I just told Zita that I'm going to post the video where she called me a bad mom and where she listed all the bad things that I do. And what did you say, Mama?
I changed my mind.
You changed your mind.
Good mother, Mommy.
I'm a good mother. Aww.
You're a good mother, Mommy.
Aww. So you don't want me to post the video?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's a cute video.
No.
Don't worry, I don't mind. I don't mind you telling me the things I do wrong so I can do better. I really don't mind.
No.
I appreciate it.
No.
I appreciate you being honest with me.
No. If I see that video, I'm going to give it a thumbs down for myself.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It ended, Mommy.
Well, I'm going to post the video. Is that okay?
No.
Well says it's okay.
No.
Cute video, Mama. We'll post it.
No.
Why don't you want to post it?
Because I changed my mind.
Because you changed your mind.
Yes.
Okay, you changed your mind that I'm not a bad mother. You think I'm a good mother. Okay, but the things you listed that I do wrong, you still want me to fix, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll post it.
No.
Because I still need to work on those things that you want me to fix.
No.
Wait, you don't want me
to put it on Facebook.
Just put it on Facebook?
Yes.
But not on YouTube?
No.
Why?
Because it's a bad video.
I like it.
No. It's about what we like, not what you like, because it's our channel, not your channel.
Okay. If I don't post it, then I'm not going to fix any of the bad things that you said. I do. What do you want? Do you want me not to post it? But don't fix any bad things?
You mean post it on YouTube?
Post it on YouTube, yes. If I post it on YouTube, then I'm going to work on the bad things that you said I need to work on. But if I don't post it, then I'm not going to work on it. Any of it. So choose one. Right now. Pick one. Right now.
You post it.
I should post it, right? Okay. She's that. Pick one. Okay, you have 5 seconds. And I'm going to pick for you.
Post a video.
Post the video? Okay. Got it.
Actually, pick for me.
Pick for you? You know I'm going to pick post the video.
And I need one.